Okay, this video is going to be about how I scored some TFUEL using the simpleswap.io website, and it went off smoothly, so stay tuned. Okay, the first thing I did was I used my Coinbase account and I scored 0.36 Ethereum, and with the Coinbase fee of $2.99, the whole thing cost $200. Then what I did was I went to the simple.io website and I put in that I wanted to swap 0.36 Ethereum for TFUEL, and it came back and it told me that I was going to get approximately 14,268 TFUEL in exchange. Then I went ahead and put in my Theta wallet address to deposit the TFUEL in, and I went ahead and clicked continue, and it gave me the address that I was to send the Ethereum to, and I went on to my Coinbase account and told it to send all of the Ethereum and gave it the address to send it to. And then simple.io goes into a waiting step. Then it goes into it shows the status along the way. It shows that it has received the Ethereum. Then once it's gotten the number of confirmations it wants, it goes to the next step, which is exchanging, as shown in the graphic there. And then once it has done the exchange, the next graphic shows that it's sending the TFUEL, and then the final graphic it shows is a check mark indicating that it has completed. At that point, I went to my Theta wallet and looked, and sure enough, it was there. Now, it had told me approximately 14,268 TFUEL is what I'd get, and what I ended up actually getting was 14,100 and something, I think. So when I did the calculation based on what I spent, what I got, and then I went and compared that cost per TFUEL to what the market rate for TFUEL is according to CoinMarketCap, and it was right pretty much on the money. So it went off without a hitch. The whole thing took 5 minutes maybe. So it was quick and it was successful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future videos. And thank you for watching.